In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Evernote web app. Using Evernote in your browser is a simple and convenient way to access your notes, tasks, and saved web content without needing to install the desktop app. It's especially helpful if you're working on a shared computer or just want quick access from anywhere. To get started, head over to the Evernote homepage. From there, you can choose to sign up if you're creating a new account or log in if you already have one. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which is the main workspace where you can view and manage your content. When you're ready to create something new, look to the top of the left sidebar and click the green New Note button. This opens a fresh note where you can immediately start typing. It's a straightforward way to capture ideas, meeting notes, to-do lists, or anything else you want to keep organized. As you build your note, use the toolbar at the top to format and edit your content. You can apply bold or italics to emphasize important text, add bullet points to break information into readable sections, or create checklists for action items. If you want to add more structure, click the Insert button. This gives you options to place tables, images, or dividers into the note, which can make longer notes much easier to scan and understand. To keep everything organized over time, use the sidebar to group related notes into notebooks. This is useful for separating personal notes from work projects or different subjects. You can also add tags to categorize information in a more flexible way, making it easier to search and find exactly what you need later. With just these core tools, you can start using the Evernote web app efficiently and keep your information clear, searchable, and well organized.